Magandang antabayanan yan ng ating mga kaliga. Mamaradlo, umatake sa loob, Mintis. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Walang mapuntahan si Cruz, pinasa sa labas. Pinilit ni Monte sa loob, Matiliano. Mintis yung kanyang tres. Collado will slow things down.
Pwede pa to eh. They're only down by 7 points here in this ball game.
Chauca. Lost his footing. Collado catches, fires. Another offensive rebound by Lester Reyes.
Grabe yung mga rebound na yun ni Lester Reyes, yung mga offensive rebound niya.
And oftentimes it has led to second chance points. Case in point, that basket by Jello Buyes, who now has 15. Just putting Shaq Taganas in trouble with that move. Shifting from right to left. Altirelo bit. 75-66.
Yeah, I mean, Coach Willie is one of the classic point guards here in the Philippines.
Tama ba nung 70s? Tres ulit, pinakawalan. Sablay galing kay Rusey Koga. Valenzuela will just burn some time. Jello Buyes went for the acrobatic finish. Foul will be called on Parañaque.
Buyes with a good drive there. Seeing the open lane. Tingnan mo yung open lane na yun. Dire-diretso siya eh. Doing a dipsy-do. Getting that foul.
Niluwa yung unang free throw ni Jello Buyes.
If he makes this basket, lamang na sila ng 10 dito. Still 1 minute to go.
Making the back end of his free throws. Nice balance for Valenzuela City. Coach Vic, 4 guys scoring in double figures. Matiliano buries the 3. Baba sa 7.
Yeah, pwede pa yan. Pwede pa yan. If I am going to do this, I mean, Parañaque, you just have to pressure and make some stops, crucial stops.
They will not foul. Obuyes, runner, no. Taganas, you have to go quick. 4-on-1 fast break. Matiliano, another three-pointer is good. Apat na lang. 76-72.
Yes, down by 4.
They need to foul though. Kailangan nilang pumaul. They're not fouling. Valenzuela taking away precious time. And they finally do. But just 12.1 seconds remaining.
Nangyari doon, parang na-stun sila eh. Dapat kanina pa lang, pagbaba pa lang, after that basket, pumaul na kagad sila on the first pass. Sino may tao doon sa, dumedepensa doon sa may bola, dapat final na nila kagad yun.
Mamaradlo, sablay yung free throw. This is just a 4-point lead. So if this results into a miss, a quick basket for Parañaque. At yun na kay Mintis. Pitch ahead. Koga. No whistle, and that's gonna do it. Valenzuela will bounce back. And notch win number 5. Against 5 losses, while Parañaque, their woes continue, succumbing to their 34th straight defeat dating back from last season.
Valenzuela City.